Hey guys, Victor here with Lightspeed Construction out here in Knoxville, Tennessee. It's a little chilly this morning. Had this roof finished up yesterday evening. It is a GAF Weatherwood roof. We did have to remove 3 layers of shingles on this home. It's an older home. So 3 layers of shingles definitely was a lot. We did redeck the whole thing. It's gonna have brand new OSB on here all the way around. You can see the GAF Weatherwood shingles. Everything looks real good. Got brand new pipe boots, new ridge vent, and new ridge cap shingles here. These lower slope areas got ice and water shield. We did that just to protect this area that's a little more vulnerable to water. So this whole area right here has got ice and water, same with on the other side as well, and then the rest has the normal synthetic underlayment. So hopefully this customer shouldn't ever experience any more issues with her roof. Thanks guys.